Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this exciting course on world-class manufacturing. The goal of this course is to provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to take your manufacturing to the next level. In this course, we will explore the 10 pillars of world-class manufacturing, and I will provide you with practical examples and statistics to help you understand why each pillar is important. I'm Rambeli Daniele, an experienced manager and web content creator. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more great content and visiting my website for even more information and tools. Thank you for your support. The 10 pillars of world-class manufacturing are: 1. Employee involvement. 2. Leadership. 3. Long-term thinking. 4. Customer focus. 5. Flexibility and responsiveness. 6. Process management. 7. Supplier partnership. 8. Product and service design. 9. Continuous improvement. 10. Quality management. So, without further ado, let's get started with the first pillar, employee involvement. Employee involvement is about empowering and engaging your employees, making them feel like they are a valuable part of the decision-making process. And the statistics speak for themselves. Companies that have a strong employee involvement program have reported an average increase of 25% in productivity. Here's a practical example. The automotive company Toyota has a long-standing tradition of involving its employees in the production process, encouraging them to offer suggestions and ideas on how to improve efficiency and quality. This has led to an increase in productivity, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. So, what can a manager do to implement this pillar in their own company? It's simple. Involve your employees in decision-making, hold regular meetings to discuss performance and gather feedback, and provide opportunities for training and professional development. When your employees feel valued and involved, they will be more motivated and dedicated to their work. Moving on to the second pillar, leadership. Strong leadership is critical for any successful organization, and research has shown that companies with strong leaders outperform those with weak leaders by a factor of 2 to 1. Let me give you a real-life example. The tech giant Apple is known for having one of the most visionary leaders in modern history, Steve Jobs. Under his leadership, Apple became one of the most innovative and profitable companies in the world. So, what can a manager do to implement this pillar in their own company? Focus on developing your leadership skills, led by example, and make sure to inspire and motivate your employees. Communication is key, so make sure to keep your team informed and involved in the decision-making process. The third pillar is long-term thinking. This is about making decisions that will benefit the company in the long run, rather than just focusing on short-term gains. Companies that adopt this approach tend to experience more sustainable growth and success over time. For instance, the pharmaceutical company Pfizer has a long-term focus on research and development, constantly investing in new drugs and treatments that will benefit patients for years to come. This focus on the future has allowed Pfizer to remain a leader in its industry. So, what can a manager do to implement this pillar in their own company? Plan for the long term, consider the consequences of your decisions, and always be open to new and innovative ideas that will benefit the company in the future. And we are just getting started. The fourth pillar is customer focus, where the customer is always at the center of everything you do. Companies that have a strong customer focus tend to build stronger relationships with their customers, resulting in increased customer loyalty and revenue. For example, the retail giant Amazon has a strong customer focus, constantly gathering customer feedback and using it to improve its products and services. This has led to increased customer satisfaction and made Amazon one of the largest and most successful companies in the world. So, what can a manager do to implement this pillar in their own company? Make customer satisfaction a priority, gather customer feedback regularly, and respond promptly to customer complaints and concerns. And the list goes on. The fifth pillar, flexibility and responsiveness, is all about being able to quickly adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs. Companies that are flexible and responsive are able to maintain a competitive edge and respond effectively to market changes. A great example of this is the sports apparel company Nike. Nike is known for its ability to quickly respond to changes in the market, whether it's the latest fashion trends or new technologies. This flexibility has allowed Nike to remain a leader in its industry and consistently deliver high-quality products to its customers. So, what can a manager do to implement this pillar in their own company? Encourage innovation, be open to new ideas, and have a flexible and responsive team structure. Make sure your company is equipped to handle change and can adapt quickly to new market conditions. The sixth pillar, process control, is about having consistent and effective processes in place to ensure quality and efficiency. Companies with strong process control tend to experience less waste and fewer mistakes, leading to increased productivity and profitability. One great example of this is the fast food chain McDonald's. McDonald's has a highly standardized and controlled process, from the way they prepare their food to the way they manage their operations. This has allowed them to expand globally and become one of the largest and most successful fast food chains in the world. So, what can a manager do to implement this pillar in their own company? Develop and implement effective processes, regularly review and update them to ensure efficiency, and train your employees to follow these processes consistently. The seventh pillar, measurable goals, is about setting clear and measurable goals and tracking progress towards those goals. Companies that set measurable goals tend to experience higher levels of productivity and success. An example of this is the software company Microsoft. Microsoft sets clear and measurable goals for its employees, tracking their progress and providing regular feedback. This has helped Microsoft maintain its position as a leader in the technology industry and continue to deliver high-quality products and services to its customers. So, what can a manager do to implement this pillar in their own company? Set clear and measurable goals, track progress towards those goals, and provide regular feedback to your employees to ensure they are on track. The eighth pillar, continuous improvement, is all about constantly seeking ways to improve processes, products, and services. Companies that adopt this approach tend to experience increased efficiency and competitiveness. A great example of this is the automotive company Honda. Honda has a culture of continuous improvement, regularly seeking out new technologies and innovations to improve its products and processes. This has allowed Honda to remain a leader in the automotive industry and deliver high-quality cars to its customers. So, what can a manager do to implement this pillar in their own company? Encourage a culture of continuous improvement, regularly review and update processes, and invest in new technologies and innovations that will benefit the company. The ninth pillar, employee development, is about investing in the development and growth of your employees. Companies that invest in their employees tend to experience higher levels of employee satisfaction and retention. For example, the financial services company Goldman Sachs has a strong focus on employee development, regularly providing training and professional development opportunities for its employees. This has helped Goldman Sachs maintain its position as a leader in the financial services industry and attract top talent to its company. So, what can a manager do to implement this pillar in their own company? Invest in the development and growth of your employees, provide training and professional development opportunities, and encourage employee growth and advancement. Finally, the 10th pillar, teamwork and collaboration, is about promoting a collaborative and supportive work environment where employees can work together towards common goals. Companies that have a strong culture of teamwork and collaboration tend to experience higher levels of employee satisfaction and productivity. An example of this is the consulting firm McKinsey & Company. McKinsey & Company is known for its collaborative and supportive work environment, where employees work together on projects and are encouraged to share their ideas and expertise. This has helped McKinsey & Company become a leader in the consulting industry and consistently deliver high-quality services to its clients. So, what can a manager do to implement this pillar in their own company? Encourage teamwork and collaboration, foster an open and supportive work environment, and create opportunities for employees to work together and share their ideas. In conclusion, these 10 pillars of world-class manufacturing are the key components of a successful and efficient manufacturing process. From lean manufacturing to employee development, each pillar plays a crucial role in achieving and maintaining high levels of quality and productivity. By implementing these pillars in your own company, you can create a world-class manufacturing operation that is able to consistently deliver high-quality products and services to your customers. So, what are you waiting for? If you want to learn more about world-class manufacturing and how you can implement these principles in your own company, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. With informative videos, expert insights, and practical solutions, you'll be well on your way to creating a world-class manufacturing operation.